Hello everyone, today I'm gonna divide this hibiscus. It's supposed to be three color, but I'm having three orange and one red with big flower. So I wanna separate them because I have to water every single day. It dry out very fast and this pot is definitely too small. Let's start. Okay, this is how it looks like. Yes, that's a lot of fruits, and this is very interesting pot. I didn't pay attention, but holes on the up, and here no holes. If you know why such a weird pot is needed for hibiscus, let me know. First time I'm seeing that one, because when you water it, water will stay here. Now I'm gonna divide by two, and then another two. Okay, I completed separation. This is how this looks like. It was very hard to separate them because some roots are very thick. Now my next step is cover with plastic bag, because of course they disturb some roots and they cannot pull a lot of water, and it's still too hot here in Florida. Okay, I covered all of them with bags, and I had to put even stake on one of them because it didn't stay. See, water is coming out. That's fine. So I might cover even this one separately. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below.